JFF President Michael Ricketts says some new overseas-based players will be brought into the Reggae Boyz squad for the FIFA Intercontinental World Cup playoffs set for Mexico in March. Ricketts says the players, who could include Lewis Baker of Stoke City and Andre Brooks of Sheffield United, both in the English Championship, are among the players who could be brought in, having secured their Jamaican documents.
He would have had a list of some new players that he would have brought in, and can't go into the details, but yes, there are some players that we were waiting on. Not the big name that most people are expecting. We still haven't heard from him, but we have some new and young, exciting, energetic players that would have gotten their documentation, which would have qualified them to represent us.
Meanwhile, Ricketts says they have kept a close eye on New Caledonia, as well as the Democratic Republic of Congo, who they could also face if they get to the final of Pathway 1 of the qualifiers.
Both Coley and Speed would have done that. We would have, of course, we have the apparatus to do that, so I'm sure that both coaches, Coley and Speed, would have utilized the apparatus to look at these players and, of course, do their own assessment. Speed did watch a game with the Congo, I think, and his report to us was that there seem to be flaws, but we now must put things in place to exploit those weaknesses.
The Reggae Boyz will face New Caledonia on March 26, with the winner of that contest playing the Democratic Republic of Congo in the final on March 31 for a place to this summer's FIFA World Cup finals.